Inspired by the teachings of Dr. Hugh Len and Dr. Joe Vitale, we embrace the ancient Hawaiian practice of Ho'oponopono to guide you to a serene journey of self-discovery, healing, and deeper connection with your inner self, your inner child. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Take a moment and allow yourself to journey inward to a place deep within your heart. Here in this sacred inner space resides your true essence, your inner child. Feel the presence of your inner self, your inner child, holding memories and emotions. Your inner child is not just a part of you. It's the core of who you are, tender and untouched by the world's noise. This inner child holds the key to a treasure chest of memories and emotions, some radiant with joy, others shadowed by forgotten pains. Imagine this inner child, your younger self, with eyes full of wonder and hope. Each memory, a glowing orb of light, floats around them, some bright and warm, others dim and distant. These are the experiences that have shaped you, the laughter and tears, the triumphs and trials. As you draw nearer with each other, feel the connection between your present self and this inner child. It's a bond unbroken by time, a bridge between your past and present. Each emotion, whether joy, sadness, fear, or love, is a thread that weaves through this bond, creating the tapestry of your life. In this sacred meeting, acknowledge the depth of what your inner child holds, the laughter that bubbled up in moments of pure joy, the tears that fell in times of sorrow, the fears that whispered in the dark, and the love that grew with every heartbeat. These emotions, these memories, they are the colors of your soul, painting the unique masterpiece that is you. Embrace this inner child, for they are the purest part of your being, a wellspring of truth and authenticity. In their eyes, you'll find the wisdom of your journey and the innocence of your beginnings. Together, you hold the power to heal, to grow, and to transform. Acknowledge and embrace this part of you, and begin your dialogue with the inner child within you. With each breath, say to this child, I recognize you. I am here for you. Now, with love and compassion, repeat these healing words. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. As you repeat these phrases, imagine your inner child healing and growing stronger. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Feel the warmth of forgiveness and love wrap around you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. With each phrase, you release old burdens and welcome new possibilities. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. As this meditation ends, carry this sense of peace and abundance with you. Practice Ho'oponopono daily and watch as your life transforms with love and healing. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you.